28 over his vehicle.
4 young children were inside the vehicle as speeds exceeded 100 miles per hour. Arkansas troopers attempted to stop a vehicle for a traffic violation. Instead of pulling over, the driver accelerated away, leading deputies on a dangerous pursuit that would soon put 4 children in extreme danger.
Down 47, speeds are 100. Church go down Holly Road, go to the traffic. Continuing south on 47, speeds are 100.
He's crashed out. He's crashed out.
Hey, watch those lines. They're touching the car. Get back. Justin, get back.
28 over his vehicle.
Is everybody awake?
Yes.
Everybody's they're moving?
Yes. I don't know where my baby's at.
I have your baby. She's okay.
Okay, thank you.
Power lines are on fire. Still on top of the vehicle.
Come here. Get that off your hair. Come here. You okay? Come here, buddy.
Hey, you better stay in the car right now. Stay in the car.
Go to Trooper Harper, okay? Put your hand down. Stay inside the car. Do not come out. You see them power lines? If it touches the car, it's going to kill you. Hey, sweetie, you see Trooper Harper? Go right to him. Hands on top of the car.
Troopers were unaware that children were inside the vehicle.
Little cut. Oh, you got a scratch. Come in here, baby. You're okay.
I'm fine, Joe.
Yeah, you're not going to jail. You're good, baby. No. No. You're not going to jail.
Is the baby okay?
Yes. Yes, she's fine.
Oh, there's another baby in?
Yep. He can't get out. There's a baby in the car still.
Yeah. I ain't got a key. I'm just that damn power line.
Keep your hands on the car.
I don't know how much longer that's going to hold before it burns and falls. The kid's got a broke arm.
You okay? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Does that hurt? Yeah, how old are you?
An officer found the infant near downed power lines and moved the child to safety.
Hey, buddy. You okay? Yeah, it was...
You're okay. You're okay.
Hey, can you stop? Hey, can you get over to Bubba? Are you ready anywhere? hurt. No. You blow up. You wearing a seatbelt. Shoe hurt.
My heart, but my phone is in the
Okay. Why are you running?
I thought, I don't know if I was talking to you.
You weren't talking to me. You got warrants?
No, hope not. I had a gun with one.
You a felon?
Get a sticker. Get a sticker. Hey Bubba. Hey Bubba, you want a sticker? We'll put it on your shirt.
Y'all want to start rerouting people?
What are you doing?
Laying down. You want me to roll over?
Yeah, you need to set up. The EMS will check you out. You need to be live on the lead. What's your kid's name? Starting from the
oldest
infant. The infant.
The infant.
Do you know the infant's name?
We called the people. I'm trying to think her actual first name. Kinsley. The oldest name is the youngest is similar to but it's not.
Okay, we'll worry about it. We'll get in contact with the mom where she remembers her kid's name.
Hey, so I'm beyond feeling sorry. Now I'm at the off stage, okay? So let's not beat on the window no more. Medics will come check on you in a minute. All the kids are fine.
Oh.
Okay? We'll talk about everything else going on here in just a little bit. For right now, we'll turn the AC on so you're not cooking. You sit back here and hang out, okay? The medic is going to come check on you just a second. I've already looked at you. The medic's going to come check on you just a second. We'll go from there, okay? No more beating.
The pursuit ended when the suspect lost control and crashed. Despite the violent rollover, all 4 children survived with only minor injuries. Authorities later arrested Tyrese Fletcher and filed multiple felony charges related to the pursuit and the children inside the vehicle.